Hi guys, how are you? I am Junaid. You are watching our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create homepage in Django. So let's move on our topic. First, we need to create project that we have created in last tutorial. So this is the project and we will open it in command prompt or we can open in any editor like VS Code, Sublime Text Editor, PyCharm, but I will use VS Code. VS Code is opened. Now I need to select project that we need to open. Open folder, desktop, project, and this is the project. Select folder. Folder is open. Now first we open and check the project is in running position or not. It is loading, so it is in running position. Now we need to create home page. How we can create home page? So first we need to go in the setting and check installed app. So first we need to add our app in the installed apps. So I have added this is our installed app. Our application name is app and this is edit. So now we need to create a folder in which we will keep our HTML files. New folder, I give it name template, template, template. So now we need to go in setting and set this template path. I have save it in a file so that we can save our time. We need to add in this space. So this is a template is a folder name that you have created for HTML files. So our folder name is template, template. So I replace it template, template, and OS. So we need to import it. Import OS. Now this error is okay. Okay, this error is resolved. Save this file, and now we need to create URLs file in the application urls dot py. Now we need to add URLs, but first we need to add URL of our application in this project URLs so that we can hit our application URL. And now we add path. I will not give any name. Include our application name is app dot and our folder is urls. Now include now. Okay, what is the problem? Yes, I have missed comma. Now okay. Yes, now I have added it, but we need to add URL in application URL, so I copy it and paste it here. Okay, we didn't need to add this one because it is admin site URL. No, no need to add include because we will not use here. Now from dot models import views. Yes. Now I need to give path that we want to call function. Path, this is empty, and now views dot I give the name function home and name is home. Okay, it is creating error. Okay, now views, I have no function with the name home, so it is showing error. Now I create function. Function definition is home and its syntax is request and this. Now I return render request home dot html. Now okay, home dot html is not created, so I need to create it. Home dot html. Okay, now I will write html code here. HTML start. Now body. Now I display it here only home page in h2 heading. home page. Okay, now I reload it. Yes, home page. We repeat it. It is URL of your project because I need to add URL of your application in project setting. If we will not give any URL, how it will check that whose application is used? So we need to add path of our application, and this is our application and this is our URL path. So this is the application URL. Let's see here. I have no name of this function. This is function name that is created in views. It means that all functions are imported from views. We can see in the views this. All functions are imported from views and use views.home. Home is our function definition. This is function definition, and when this function will be called, then home.html will display. So we need to focus here. If we will give home, then we need to give URL 127.0.0.1 and 8000 slash home, then it will be called. If we will not give any name, then it will empty. It means only this will be called. Now let's check. If I give home and save it and then I hit URL without home, it will display error. It means page not found. Yes, this error is correct because we are giving home URL and we are we are calling empty URL, so it is displaying error. So focus on it and use it any name that you can. So I am not using any name, so I will hit here without any name. Hope so you will like our video. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that you can get notification for our new video. Thank you.